So I'm at the BMW Infinity showroom in Mumbai, and the retail next strategy has just started for BMW. That means BMW and mini cars under one roof. But the most exciting bit here is that is the new BMW M4 CS. It's just been launched in India at a price tag of 1.89 crores. It's the first CS model to come to India, and let's take a quick look at it. Now, like I said, this is the more track-focused version of the M4. Now, there is an M4 CSL which went on sale in global markets but was limited to just 1,000 units or something, and it was completely sold out. But this is the more hardcore version that we're getting here. You get M4 CS written over here to remind you this is not a standard M4. Got a bigger grille. Actually, this whole face is inspired from the M4 CSL. Bigger grille to feed more air into that engine, which I'll tell you about more later. Get lots of carbon bits over here. This whole lip that you see here is a full carbon fiber bit. You get carbon fiber here. Now this front lip sticks out a little more than you would expect, so you better be careful if you're going to take this out in the city. Now take a look at these wheels, these gold colored. I think they look fantastic. 20-inch at the back, 19s in the front. The design's very complex. I'm really in love with it. But if you take a look inside, you get red brake calipers on all four calipers. Now this is an M compound. You can option for a more hardcore version, which is carbon ceramic, of course, since it's a track car. If you come close, I am in love with this paint as well. This is called Riviera Blue, if I'm not wrong. There are 3 other colors to take your pick from, but I think this would be mine. Now, like I said, carbon fiber has been used quite extensively in this car, and you get this carbon fiber winglet over here. You also get more carbon fiber in the diffuser. You get quad tailpipes, titanium exhaust. Sure, it sounds fantastic, but my favorite and neatest trick over here, that a good attention to detail, is this red accent around the M4 CS logo. I think it's a neat touch and it looks really, really beautiful. Now the overkill of carbon fiber continues on the inside. As you can see, you have carbon fiber here, on the paddles, on the dash. But the most amount of carbon fiber used is in these carbon fiber bucket seats. Now the M4 CS is about 20 kgs lighter than the standard M4 competition. And these bucket seats are one of the main reasons for that weight loss. Now these seats are very comfortable. They have a lot of support, and they're also automatic, so very nice to use. Otherwise, the cabin is pretty much from the M4 competition. You get these dual displays. You get a nice Alcantara steering wheel. You got 2 M configuration buttons over here. Storage space, not that great. I mean, it's a track-focused car, so even the back seats, while they are there, they don't seem very usable unless you don't have feet. You still get good amount of storage. You get a nice glove box here. You get a wireless charger here. A little bit of space over here, some door pockets, and over and all, it's a nice place to be if you are on track. Now the M4 CS produces 550 PS and 650 Nm of torque from the same 3-litre inline 6-cylinder. That's 20 PS more than the standard M4 competition, and BMW says that it can do 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.4 seconds. That's 0.1 second faster than the M4 competition.